Good morning, dear students. Today we will have a new session, that is microbes in biogas production. So as we discussed earlier, the microbes in household products and microbes in industrial products. Here, some of the microbes they playing a crucial role in the production of a biogas. So what is biogas? So biogas is the mixture of the gases. The mixture of gases, so predominantly, and the mixture of gases, the most gas that is present is a methane. That is a CH4. Methane is the predominant gas that is present in the biogas. And meanwhile, and this gas is used as a fuel for a cooking, for a lighting. So that is biogas. Biogas is a mixture of gases, predominantly that is methane. It will be present, and this gas it is used as a fuel. Okay. So coming to how this gas is produced. Some of the bacteria anaerobically which acts upon the cellulosic material. So anaerobically means the bacteria which do not require oxygen. So ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇರಲ್ಲ, ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. Without oxygen, so that bacteria which act upon the cellulosic material and that produces that is a mixture of gases, that is a methane, carbon dioxide, hydrogen sulfide. Along, so most that is acquired with the methane gas. The majority is methane gas. Along with the methane gas, there consists of a carbon dioxide, and it is consists of that is hydrogen sulfide. Okay, and these bacteria are called, that anaerobic bacteria we called as a methanogens. Methanogens are this bacteria, anaerobic bacteria which act upon the cellulosic material. Cellulosic material andre that may be a plant irbodu, a piece of a plant or leaf irbodu, that is the cellulose irutte leaf alli. So that which act upon, so where those anaerobic bacteria which act upon cellulosic material and that produces a mixture of gas, and that we called as a biogas. It consists of a methane, along with that one carbon dioxide, along with that one that is hydrogen sulfide. Hydrogen sulfide is it. Okay, and those anaerobic bacteria that we called as a methanogens. So just general, we are going to speak with those bacteria. All bacteria methanogens anta kareetive. What commonly commonly called as a methanobacterium. Methanobacterium, that is a bacteria which going to act upon a cellulosic material that going to produce a biogas. That going to produce a biogas. Right. And so where this bacteria will be present, and these anaerobic bacteria that will be present in the rumen of cattle. They called as a rumen of cattle, where the bacteria will be present. Where the rumen of cattle will be present? That is present in the stomach part. So where the digestion of the cellulosic particle takes place, there the methanobacterium that is present in the rumen part, that is the stomach part of a cattle, where it acts upon the breaking down of a cellulose. Whatever it going to eat a grass na eat ಮಾಡುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಯಾಟಲ್ಸ್, ಆ ಹುಲ್ಲ ತಿನ್ನುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಸ್ಟಮಕ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ where methanobacterium it will be present anaerobically which act upon the cellulosic material. That cellulosic material is nothing but that is a grass. ಹುಲ್ಲು ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, that is a cellulosic material. So where that is a breakdown of the cellulose that is done by the methanobacterium that is present in the rumen of a cattles. That is the rumen of a cattles where it breakdown of a cellulose. Nutritionally, these bacteria that going to digest the cellulose, nutrition increase ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಆ ಏನು cellulosic material ಇದೆಯೋ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ digest ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು, so that provides a nutrition. Right. And ultimately, so that is excreta, that is the dung. The excreta which comes from the cattles. Right. ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ? ಸಗಣಿ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ? So that is a dung, that is excreta, so where that is commonly called as a gobar ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. commonly called as a gobar. That is a cattle in excreta bರುತ್ತೆ, that is commonly called as a gobar. And that gobar which is rich in methanogens. Rich in methanogens. What is methanogens? Methanogens is the anaerobic bacteria, so that act upon the cellulosic material, commonly called as a methanobacterium. So which acts upon a cellulosic material that produces a biogas. That produces a biogas. And here that gobar which rich in methanogens and that produces a fuel, a gas that we call as a gobar gas. Your biogas is also called as a gobar gas, called as a gobar gas. Okay. How it is going to produce? Produce ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಇದನ್ನ. Let me see that as biogas plant. We'll see the biogas plant. This is a biogas plant. This is a biogas plant, and this biogas plant has this is a inlet. This is a inlet, correct? And this is a concrete tank. The concrete tank, and there is an outlet where gas is supplied to the nearby houses. There is another outlet that is a collection of the slurry. Okay. So we will discuss about this biogas plant. Then ಈ biogas plant, a typical biogas plant, along with the diagram ಜೊತೆಗೆ explanation ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 5 marks ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. Diagram ಜೊತೆಗೆ explanation. If it is directly asked for a diagram ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ only for the 3 marks. only for the 3 marks. 3 marks ಗೆ only diagram ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Explanation ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ explain the diagram ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ so that will ask for the 5 marks questions. Just last year this ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ವರ್ಷ ಈಗ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಅದಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಇದನ್ನ diagram with explanation 5 marks ಗೆ ಕೇಳಿದ್ವಿ. Okay, so let us we will discuss with that is a biogas plant. Look at here, it is a concrete tank. Okay, so it is a 10 to 15 feet, so that is present. It is a concrete tank. So that is where your the biogas will be get produced. This is a large concrete tank that is present inside the ground level, and there is an inlet where your cow dung and there is excreta and water is added. Correct. So this is an inlet. That is the excreta of cattle. Cattle ಮತ್ತು water in water they want to add into the inlet. Correct. So from the inlet it going to reach us to that is a digester. ಇದು ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ, there is a digester where your powder and water that will be present. Okay, so as earlier said that, so that is excreta cow dung, that is called as commonly called as gobar anta karithivi, which is rich in methanogens. Adu already that consists of a methanogens. Those methanogens elitare that is present in the stomach of a cattle. So rumen part of a cattle, where along with the digestion process cow dung mukantara some of the methanogens are come to the as excretion agi bandirutte gobar alli cow dung alli. Now we have added a dung and water into the inlet and it reaches to the digestion part. Got it? Digestion part. And above here the digestion takes place there. Above the digestion this we called as this is we called as a floating cover which is placed over the slurry. A floating cover placed ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. When digester here digester where means the process of the production of biogas takes place, the place of cover ಏನಂತೆ it rises above. rises above ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. As there will be a production of biogas takes place in the digester, meanwhile there is a place of cover, that is the cover which is placed over the slurry, it rises up ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. And this place of cover has another outlet. Another outlet. So that outlet it is connected with the pipe, and this pipe and that helps in the supplying of the gas. The gas which is produced in the digester, where that to increase in the digester that will be rise of a floating cover, and floating cover is connected with there is a pipe, and there is an outlet. Here the gas is supplied to the neighbor houses. Correct. And that gas utilized for the cooking and lighting. ಅಡಿಗೆ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಬೆಳಕು ನಮಗೆ ಲೈಟ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ಯುಟಿಲೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಬಯೋಗ್ಯಾಸ್. ಅಂಡ್ ಮೀನ್ ವೈಲ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದ ಡೈಜೆಸ್ಟರ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸ್ಲರಿ there will be dumped into or comes into the another outlet that we called as a sludge ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. that we called as a sludge. And this sludge or slurry after the digestion that is used as a fertilizer. ಅದನ್ನ ಫರ್ಟಿಲೈಸರ್ ಆಗಿ ಯುಟಿಲೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. Correct. And so here this is the biogas plant, and here the main two things that is Indian Agriculture Research Institute. That Indian Agriculture Research Institute. One, another is the Khadi and villages industrial commissions. So both are played a crucial role in development of a biogas plant in India. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? IRI ಮತ್ತೆ KVC ಎರಡು ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, they played very crucial role in plantation of this biogas plant in India. Correct. So biogas, just we will recall this one. So biogas is called as gobar gas. Biogas is a mixture of gases. So where predominantly it is methane gas. Correct. So majority it is a methane gas, and it is used for a fuel agi ನಾವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. And so this anaerobic which act upon the cellulosic which going to produce a gas. That gas consists of a methane, hydrogen sulfide, and along with the carbon dioxide. Correct. So these bacteria are called as methanogens, commonly called as methanobacterium. And so these bacteria are present in the rumen part of that is a cattle, that is the stomach part of a cattle, and the dung is called as a cattle, that helps in the breaking down of that is a cellulosic material, and the excreta, the dung we called as a gobar, which is rich in the methanogens, and so that produces a gas that we call as a gobar gas ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. Coming to the your biogas plant ಅಂದಾಗ it is a concrete tank. It is a concrete tank ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ತೊಟ್ಟಿ ತೋಡ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ, ತೊಟ್ಟಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರೋದು, ಆ ತೊಟ್ಟಿ ತೊಟ್ಟಿ ತೊಡಲ್ಲ ಮನೆಗೆ ನೀರು ತುಂಬಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ the same way there. ಇದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ, on 10 to 15 concrete tank, it consists of inlet, outlet, and there is another is a outlet. Here inlet you going to add a cow dung water so that it reaches to the digester, where digestively that methanogens which act upon the act upon the cow dung, ultimately that produces a gas, and when the gas is produced here, the floating cover which is going up with it, so it rises above as gas is produced. And meanwhile it is your biogas plant is connected with the outlet where gas is connected to the pipe. From the pipe through it is supplied to the neighboring houses, and that is utilized for the cooking and that is a lighting. And meanwhile some of the slurry which has an outlet there where it is collected, and that slurry again it utilized as a fertilizer. Fertilizers are utilized ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. And this is about a biogas plant. ಈ biogas plant ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಇದನ್ನ ಬರೀ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 3 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ 5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಒಂದು ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಅಗ್ರಿಕಲ್ಚರ್ ರಿಸರ್ಚ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್, ಅದಾಯ್ತಾ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಖಾದಿ ಅಂಡ್ ವಿಲೇಜ್ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿಯಲ್ ಕಮಿಷನ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ಬೋತ್ ಆರ್ ಪ್ಲೇಯಿಂಗ್ a crucial role in development or plantation of this biogas plant in